Do you ever ponder the deep connection between your mind and body? It's a question that perhaps doesn't cross our minds often enough, yet it's a relationship that holds immense potential. This intricate bond between our thoughts and physicality is a powerful tool that, when harnessed correctly, can revolutionize our overall well-being. Imagine being able to tap into this reservoir of potential. It might seem like a daunting task at first, but with the right knowledge and techniques, it's an achievable goal. This isn't about achieving superhuman feats, but rather, it's about tapping into the innate power that resides within each of us. The power to transform our health, our happiness, and our lives. Now, you might be wondering how exactly you can access this potential. That's what we're here to explore. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare for an enlightening journey. Stay tuned to unlock the potential of your mind-body connection. For many beginners, establishing a solid mind-body connection can feel overwhelming. This is a journey that requires patience, practice, and a keen sense of awareness. But don't fret, everyone can master it, and the benefits are well worth the effort. One of the most common obstacles that beginners face on this journey is sensory disconnect. This happens when we are so lost in our thoughts that we become oblivious to how our body is feeling. We ignore the signals our body sends us, like a sharp pain in the lower back or a persistent headache. This disconnect can make it difficult to establish a strong mind-body connection. But here's the good news: you can cultivate sensory awareness. Start by paying attention to your body's signals. Notice how your body feels when you're relaxed, stressed, happy, or anxious. This will help you reconnect with your body and strengthen the mind-body bond. Stress is another key obstacle that can hinder the process of establishing a mind-body connection. When we're stressed, our mind is usually filled with worries and anxieties, and our body is tense and on high alert. This state of constant tension can make it challenging to achieve mindfulness and establish a mind-body connection. The solution: mindfulness techniques. These techniques can help you manage stress and clear your mind. They involve focusing on your breath, observing your thoughts without judgment, and grounding yourself in the present moment. Mindfulness can help you break free from the cycle of stress and anxiety, allowing you to connect with your body on a deeper level. Remember, establishing a solid mind-body connection is a journey, not a destination. It's normal to encounter obstacles along the way, but with practice and patience, you can overcome these challenges. However, with the right guidance and practice, you can overcome these obstacles. And once you do, you'll unlock a powerful connection that can transform your overall well-being. Are you ready to embark on this journey? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into how you can strengthen your mind-body connection. Today, we will uncover 10 simple yet effective exercises designed specifically for beginners. Let's embark on this journey together, shall we? Our first stop is mindful breathing. It's as simple as it sounds. Breath in, breath out, and focus on each breath as it enters and leaves your body. Feel the cool air filling your lungs and the warm air as you exhale. This exercise is a cornerstone of mindfulness, helping you to anchor your thoughts in the present moment and quiet the mind. Next, we have the body scan. This involves mentally scanning your body from head to toe, observing any sensations, feelings, or thoughts that arise. This exercise helps you develop a deeper awareness of your physical presence and can be incredibly grounding. Moving on, let's explore mindful movement. Whether you're walking, stretching, or simply washing the dishes, you can turn any activity into a mindful one. Just focus your attention on the sensations of the movement. Feel your muscles contract and relax. Notice how your body balances and coordinates itself. This exercise not only enhances body awareness, but also turns mundane tasks into opportunities for mindfulness. Now, let's delve into progressive muscle relaxation. This exercise involves tensing and then relaxing each muscle group in your body, one at a time. It's a wonderful way to release physical tension and foster a deeper mind-body connection. Fifth on our list is visualization. This involves creating a mental image of a peaceful and calming place or situation. By focusing on this image, you can evoke feelings of relaxation and tranquility. It's like a mini vacation for your mind. Next up, we have mindful eating. This is about fully experiencing the act of eating, savoring each bite, and paying attention to the flavors, textures, and smells. This exercise can transform your relationship with food and make each meal a mindful experience. Seventh, we have grounding techniques. This involves focusing on something in your environment to help anchor your attention in the present moment. It could be the feeling of your feet on the ground, the sound of birds chirping outside, or the smell of freshly brewed coffee. Next, we turn our attention to mindful listening. This involves fully immersing yourself in the sounds around you, without judgment or analysis. It's a wonderful way to cultivate present moment awareness. Ninth, we explore mindful observation. This is about observing an object or a natural phenomenon with a fresh, curious mind, as if seeing it for the first time. This exercise can help you cultivate a sense of wonder and appreciation for the world around you. And finally, we have loving kindness meditation. This involves silently repeating phrases of goodwill towards yourself and others. It's a powerful way to cultivate compassion and positivity. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing these exercises daily. Each one is a stepping stone on the path to a stronger mind-body connection and a better you. It's a journey well worth embarking on. So are you ready to take the first step? Among all, one exercise stands out for beginners: mindful breathing. This simple yet powerful practice can be the cornerstone of your journey towards a robust mind-body connection. It's like learning to play an instrument. The first note you master sets the tone for the symphony of your wellness. Mindful breathing is the exercise of focusing your attention on your breath, its rhythm, its feel. It's about observing without judgment, about being present in the moment. But why is this so fundamental? Well, the answer lies in the very nature of our breath itself. It is an automatic process, yet it's one we can control. It's the bridge between our conscious and unconscious mind. Think about it. When you're anxious or stressed, your breathing becomes shallow and rapid. But if you consciously slow it down, take deep, deliberate breaths, you can actually trick your brain into a state of calm. It's a tangible demonstration of your mind's power over your physical state. And this is where the transformation starts. As you master mindful breathing, you learn to harness your mind's power to influence your body. It's like unlocking a superpower, the ability to dictate your body's response to stress, to anxiety, to the world around you. But it doesn't stop there. Mindful breathing is not just about managing stress. It's about attuning your mind to your body's subtle signals, becoming more aware of its needs. It's about cultivating a sense of inner peace and balance, about embracing the present moment with all its imperfections. And the best part, you can practice mindful breathing anywhere at any time. You don't need any special equipment or a designated space. All you need is a few minutes and the willingness to focus on your breath. So if you're a beginner looking to establish a solid mind-body connection, start with mindful breathing. It's simple, it's accessible, but most importantly, it's effective. Mindful breathing is indeed a gateway to a stronger mind-body connection. It's your first step towards transforming your overall wellness. So why not give it a try? After all, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single breath. Let's quickly summarize what we learned today. We delved into 10 simple yet effective exercises, each one designed specifically for beginners to help establish a solid mind-body connection. We explored mindful breathing, a practice that emphasizes the powerful link between our minds and bodies. These exercises aren't just physical activities, they're tools to help us tune into our bodies, focus our minds, and manage stress. They're gateways to a more balanced, healthier lifestyle. Remember, the mind-body connection isn't just about the physical, it's about the emotional and mental aspects as well. By cultivating this connection, we're not just improving our physical well-being, we're fostering emotional balance, reducing stress, and enhancing our mental clarity. The journey towards a strong mind-body connection may be challenging, but it's certainly rewarding. By integrating these exercises into your daily routine, you can experience a positive transformation in your health and wellness. As we draw this enlightening journey to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. We've taken a deep dive into the profound relationship between our minds and bodies, and explored how this connection can be harnessed to transform our overall well-being. We've learned that the mind and body are not separate entities working in isolation, but are interlinked components of one holistic system. And it is through nurturing this connection that we can truly unlock our full potential. By integrating these exercises into your daily routine, you can start to experience the transformative power of the mind-body connection. breathing consciously, being mindful of your movements, and tuning into your senses can all help to bring your body and mind into alignment. And by doing so, you can start to experience a range of benefits, from reduced stress and anxiety to improved focus and productivity. But this is just the start of your journey. There is so much more to discover about the mind-body connection and so many more techniques to explore. There is a wealth of knowledge and resources available to support your journey towards holistic well-being. Did you find the mindful breathing exercise helpful? Or perhaps the sensory awareness technique resonated with you? No matter your experiences, you are not alone in this journey. We're here to support you every step of the way, providing you with the tools and guidance you need to navigate the challenges and embrace the rewards that come with strengthening your mind-body connection. So, are you ready to take the next step? Are you ready to unlock your full potential and experience the transformative power of the connection? If so, then we invite you to join us as we strive towards achieving holistic well-being together.